In banking, lien processing is critical for managing legal claims on assets. But it's often slow, complex, and prone to error. Delays can lead to financial losses, compliance risks, and strained customer trust. So now let's see how Agentic Process Automation from Automation Anywhere transforms lien processing, and it delivers faster resolutions, greater accuracy, and peace of mind for analysts and customers alike. Meet Bria. She's a lien analyst. She spends hours sorting emails, downloading lien requests, and manually extracting data. This is a repetitive and exhausting process that slows down resolutions and increases risk. With Agentic Process Automation, the game changes. Bria's workflow becomes seamless and intelligent. Instead of sifting through emails, Bria launches her Lien AI agent via Automation Copilot, and that's embedded directly in Salesforce. The Inbox AI agent processes emails, identifies lien requests, and hands them off to the classification agent for document categorization. The classification agent extracts critical details like the process number and judicial account number using enterprise-grade large language models with exceptional accuracy. The validation AI agent cross-checks the extracted data with internal systems for accuracy and security. With everything validated, the Lien AI agent makes a recommendation in Salesforce for Bria's review. Confident in the 99% accuracy, Bria approves the request. Upon approval, the Workflow AI agent updates lien statuses across Salesforce and banking databases, ensuring all records are synchronized. Finally, Bria activates the Customer Communication AI agent, which drafts a personalized email response in seconds. With a quick review, Bria hits send, delivering a seamless experience to the customer. Thanks to Agentic Process Automation, lien processing becomes faster, more compliant, and significantly less error-prone. Banks cut response times from hours to minutes, reduce high risk, and empower employees like Bria to focus on higher-value work. It's time to let your enterprise soar with Agentic Process Automation from Automation Anywhere. Explore this and other ideas at automationanywhere.com.